like this juice, man. Okay. This is Renty's plate again. I'm going to make some juice this time. I have some frozen guava and some frozen June plum. What I'm going to add with it is star fruit. I just picked them from the tree, and 2 lime. Okay? I'm going to clean up my star fruit and I will be right back. No ginger this time. Just guava, June plum, and star fruit with lime. Okay guys, I finished cleaning up my star fruit and I'm gonna juice my star fruit. Okay, here's my juicer. Okay, I finished juice my star fruit. I juice it, looking nice, rich and nice. And here I'm squeezing my lime. I'm just gonna use 2 lime. If when I'm finished everything and it's fresh, then I add some sugar to it. But right now, I'm not adding no sugar right now until I taste it. Right, I put my lemon juice right here and my blender over here. I'm going to put my guava first. Okay, you squeeze my lime, my star fruit finished. Now is my guava. I told you I'm going to blend the guava and the June plum. Sorry. Okay. It's a bottle of water here. I'm just going to use half to this. Okay, more than half, but it's okay. All right. I'm going to put it down the water. Done. All right. Oh, pretty. Look. All right, I'm straining it off in my star fruit. Okay. Oh, it makes it like a smoothie. Blend up everything. Okay. See it? Okay, see it? Alright, I'm gonna do my June plum now. This is my June plum. June plum, June plum. Water. Okay. Okay. Supposed to done. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is solid juice. Look. So my star fruit, my June plum, and my guava. See it? Look. Okay. Look at this juice, man. Rich and nice. Wow. Look. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put my lime juice. I'm going to put my lime juice to it. And I'm going to give it a taste and see how well it tastes. If it needs a little sugar. Yes, it'll take a little sugar. I have a quarter cup over here. Probably I just add it to it. Yes, it will take a little sugar. I didn't plan to put sugar, but I want the juice to nice. If you want to put ginger, you can. But I decided not to use ginger this time. But ginger really bring up your juice. Natural juice. Natural juice. Okay, gonna give it a taste again. Step, I put it in my hand. Oh my gosh. This is it. Mmm. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. I'm gonna pour in my container now. Oh my gosh. Look at this juice, man. Okay, this is my taste now. Mm. Mm. Guys, very refreshing, delicious. Okay, remember to try this juice. June plum, guava, and star fruit. Oh gosh, it's nice, refreshing. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comments down below. Share with a friend. Tell a friend, and a friend will tell another one. Okay? Thank you all for watching. See you next time.